Hello students, in the previous class we did the problems on factorization. Today also we are going to do some more problems on factorization. See, first one, before going to start, how many types of polynomials are there? How many types of quadratic polynomials are there? Okay. Now we are discussing only on quadratic polynomials. Okay. Now how many types of quadratic polynomials? First one, ax square plus bx plus c. This is the quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. General form. Okay. Second type. Second type is ax square plus bx minus c. Third one, ax square minus bx plus c. Fourth one, ax square minus bx minus c. So these are the types of quadratic polynomials, and now we are going to do the first model, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Now see the first question. Suppose x square plus 9x plus 18. X square plus 9x plus 18. What is our conditions? First one, quotient of x square. We know that we have to write the quotient of x square first. Quotient of x square is 1. Next, constant. What is constant? Constant is 18. Next we have to find the product of quotient of x square and constant, that is 18. Now 1 into 18 is 18. Next you take middle term. Middle term. What is middle term? 9x. Middle term is 9x. Now, first we have to write the factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? 1 into 18 is 18. 2 into 9 is 18. 3 into 6 is 18. In these three, we have to take any one, and whenever we are multiplying those two factors, we must get 18. Whenever we are adding or subtracting of those two factors, we must get the middle term, that is 9x. Here in this given problem, all the symbols are positive, so therefore we have to take the positive terms. Now here 3 6 are 18, 3 plus 6 is 9x. So we have to take this one. Now split the middle term by using these factors. Now x square plus 9x can be written as 6x plus 3x plus 18. So this is the splitting of middle term. Now using these two we get the given problem. How? First x into x square. Next 6 3s are 18. 6x plus 3x 9x. So positive, all are positive. Okay. Now x square can be written as x into x. 6x can be written as 2 into 3 into x, plus 3x can be written as 3 into x, and 18 can be written as in terms of 3, so that is 3 into 6. Okay. Now this is the first half of the splitting, and this is the second half of the splitting. Now in this, what is the common factor? Here x and here x. Okay. So x is the common factor. Next one, you write the remainder. What is the remainder in the first half? X plus 2 3s are 6. Okay. Next one, here 3 and here 3. 3 is the common factor. So all are positive. So you take plus 3. Write the remainder. Here x plus 6. Whatever we get the first factor, we have to get the same factor here also. So therefore x plus 6 and x plus 6, from these two we have to write 1 is the common factor. So x plus 6 into here remainder x, here plus 3. So x plus 6 into x plus 3 or x plus 3 into x plus 6. So if all the terms are having the positive symbols, we get the positive values. Okay, like this we have to find the factors. Okay. Second type. Second type is ax square minus bx plus c. Okay. Second type is ax square minus bx plus c. Example. Suppose L square minus 16L plus 64. Now the given problem in terms of L. Okay. Now first one, coefficient of L square is 1. Next, constant. What is constant? Is 64. Next, product is 1 into 64. 1 into 64 is 64. Next, middle term. What is middle term? Minus 16L. Now we have to write the factors of 64. 1 into 64 is 64. 2 into 32 is 64. 3 doesn't go. Next 4. 4 16 are 64. 5, it doesn't go. 6, it doesn't go. 7, no. 8 8s are 64. Now from these 4 we have to take any one. Then whenever we are finding the product, we must get 64, and whenever we are adding or subtracting of those two factors, we must get the middle term, that is minus 16L. Now 8 8s are 64, 8 plus 8 16, but here minus 16 is there, so therefore we have to take minus 8 and minus 8, then we will get the factors. Now split the middle term, that is L square minus 8L and minus 8L plus 64. Now see here, by using this splitting we get the total problem, that is first one, minus into minus is plus. Here L square symbol is plus and 64 symbol is plus. Therefore plus into plus is plus and minus into minus is plus. So L into L square, 8 8s are 64, minus 8L and minus 8L, minus 16L. Now this can be written as L into L minus 8 into L minus 8 into L again plus 64 in terms of 8. So 8 into 8. Now first half of the splitting or first half of the problem is this one. Now common factor. What is the common factor? L. Here L. So L is the common factor. Next write the remainder. L minus 8. Okay. Next one. Here 8 and here 8. So 8 is the common factor. Then remainder is L and here is 8. But here the symbol is minus. We know that whatever the factor we are getting in the first half, the same factor we should get here also. So we can write L minus 8 directly, and here we must get the symbol. So what is the symbol we have to get? By how much is multiplied by minus symbol, we get plus here. Okay, by how much is multiplied by minus, we get plus here. So that is minus. Like this also we can take the symbol. Now L minus 8 and L minus 8. From these two we can take 1. L minus 8 is the common factor and write the remainder here and here. So that is L minus 8. So L minus 8 into L minus 8. This can be written as L minus 8 whole square. Okay. Next question. Next question. P square minus 20p plus 21. Okay. Now quotient of p square is 1. Next constant 21. Next product 1 into 21 is 21. Next middle term is minus 20p. Now write the factors of 21. 1 into 21 is 21. Next is 7 into 3 is 21. Right? Product is 21 and middle term is minus 20p. So with what factors we get minus 20? That is 1 into 21. Okay. Now this can be written as p square minus 21p plus 1p or p. Okay. Minus 21p plus 1p is minus 20p. Right. Plus 21. But here the product is, what is the product here? Minus into plus. Minus into plus is minus. But what is the given symbol in the problem? Plus. So is it right or wrong? Can we get plus here by using these factors? No. So therefore this is wrong. Okay. Next one. Suppose if you are taking the minus symbol here in this problem, you will get the splittings. See, suppose here I am changing the symbol minus. I am writing the minus symbol here. Now minus into plus, minus 21 into 1, 21 p into p square minus 21p plus 1p, that is minus 20p. Got it? Now p square can be written as p into p minus 21p can be written as minus 21 into p plus 1 into p minus 1 into 21. Now first half. P is the common factor. Remainder p minus 21. Here 1 is the common factor. P minus 21. But symbol is plus. So plus 1 into p is plus 1 into 1p. Plus into minus. Minus 1 into 21 is 21. Now p minus 21 is the first factor. And the second factor is p plus 1. So whenever we are getting both are minus symbols, we will get one is minus and another one is plus. Okay. Next question. Next question is m square minus 4m minus 21. M square minus 4m minus 21. Now quotient of m square 1, constant minus 21, product minus 21. Next, middle term minus 4m. This can be written as m square. 21 can be written as 7 3s are 21. 7 plus 3 is 10. 7 minus 3 is 4. So I can write this one as minus 7m plus 3m. Minus 7m plus 3m. Minus 21. Now minus into plus. Minus 7 3s are 21. 21. M into m. M square. Minus 7m plus 3m is minus 4m. Now m is the common factor from these two. So remainder m minus 7 plus 3 is the common factor, m minus 7. So m minus 7 into m plus 3. These are the factors. So whenever we get both are minus symbols, we get one is minus and another one is plus. So m minus 7 into m plus 3. Okay, understood? Next one. A square minus 4x minus 32. Okay. Now a square minus 4x minus 32. Here quotient of a square is 1, constant is 32. Now factors of 32 are 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 4 into 8. These are the factors. Now the middle term is minus 4. Sorry, this is a. Middle term is minus 4. So therefore 4 8s are 32. 4 minus 8. 4 minus 8 is minus 4. For the biggest number we have to put minus symbol. Okay. This can be written as minus 8a plus 4a minus 32. Now see here, minus into plus, minus 8 4s are 32 and a into a square. The middle term minus 8a plus 4a is minus 4a. Now a is the common factor, a minus 8 plus 4 is the common factor, a minus 8. So a minus 8 into a plus 4. These are the factors. The same problem I can write like this also. 8 4s are 32, no? So I am writing here 8 and here 4. Right? Now see the factors. Same. Quotient of a square is 8. Constant is 4. Factors of 8 4s are 32. Factors of 32 are 1 into 32, 2 into 16, 4 into 8. In this we have to take minus 8 and plus 4. These are the factors. Then this can be written as 8a square minus 8a plus 4a minus 4. Now minus into plus. Minus 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32. Minus 8a plus 4a minus 4a. Now factors will change. 8a square can be written as 8 into a minus 8 into a plus 4 into a minus 4. From the first half, 8a is the common factor because 8 and a here, 8 and a here. Okay, so 8a is the common factor. Remainder is a minus 1. Next, plus 4 is the common factor, a minus 1. Now a minus 1 is the first factor and next one 8a plus 4. Okay, in this also a minus 1 into 8a minus 8a plus 4. 4 is the common factor. We can write this one as 2a plus 1. So totally we can write these factors are 4 into a minus 1 into 2a plus 1. So whenever we change the multiples, we will get the different factors. Okay. Next one. Another model, ax square plus bx minus c. Okay, ax square plus bx minus c. Suppose example 4x square plus 20x minus 96. 4x square plus 20x minus 96. Okay, in this problem first 4 20 and 96, all these numbers 4 20 and 96, these three are divisible by 4. So that means first you have to take out 4 is the common factor from the total problem. Then what we get, x square plus how many times, 5 times 5x minus next how many times, 4 2s are 8, next one remainder 4 4s are. Okay, so 4 is the quotient and the problem is x square plus 5x minus 24. So this can be written as 4 into x square plus 5x minus 24. Now we have to write the factors for this. Then first one, quotient of x square is 1, constant is minus 24, product minus 24, middle term 5x. So what are the factors of 24? Factors of 24 are 1 into 24 is 24, 2 into 12 24, 3 into 8 24, 4 into 6 24. Okay, from these 4 we have to take any one, from that we have to write the factors, right? So which is suitable for our problem? This one is suitable. Why? Because 3 8s are 24, 3 plus 8 is 11 and 3 minus 8 is 5. But here plus 5x is there, so therefore we have to take plus 8 minus 3. Then x square plus 8x minus 3x minus 24. Now write the total problem or get the total problem from these two. Okay, first one, x into x square, 8 3s are 24 plus 8x minus 3x plus 5x, plus into minus minus. Okay, now 4 is the first common factor. Next, from these two, right, x is the common factor, x plus 8. Next, the same factor we had to get here also, or you take out minus 3 is the common factor, then x plus 8. Now see here, minus into plus, minus 3 1s are, quotient of x is 1, so 3 1s are 3, minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus into plus, minus 3 8s are 24. Now x plus 8 and x plus 8, you have to take 1, 4 into x plus 8 is the first factor. Next, remainder, here x minus 3. Now the factors of 4x square plus 20x minus 96 are 4 into x plus 8 into x minus 3. These are the factors. Okay, I hope all of you understood how to factorize the given problem. Okay, thank you.